The timer starts now!
Ay! At saka gamitin mo isang kamay mo, hindi ka naman invalido, di ba?
Ow! Drink this bagong shake, and whoever we're talking to finishes their bagong shake the fastest.
Kayo doon! O ikaw, ba't ka nagtitinda rito? Wala ka karapatan dito magtinda. Doon ka, lumusot ka rito. Wala ka pakialam sa show nyo. Artista ka, kala mo kung ano. Gusto mo makapabento ka na lang.
Oh my gosh! Lucky! Oh, so serious. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Guys, oh my gosh, really the show! Nandito tayo ngayon kung saan ginagawa ang bagong alamang. Oh yes, this is the source of the bagong baby and we will get to experience how it is done firsthand. Of course, kailangan nakasama kong aking dalawang PAs or my personal assistants or my papas. Pa and pa, itong profiles ng ating dalawang alamang apprentices. Go, find them, get them, and tell them it's time